Hello dear students. In the previous session we have learned the Himalayas consist of three parallel ranges. The Greater Himalayas, the Middle Himalayas and the Lesser Himalayas. We have learnt about the Greater Himalayas. In today's session we are going to learn about the Middle Himalayas or the Himachal range, the Lesser Himalayas or the Shivalik range. Let's begin. The Middle Himalayas are found between the Greater and the Lesser Himalayan ranges. The height of the Middle Himalayas varies between 3,700 meters and 4,500 meters. Many beautiful valleys like Kashmir, Kulu and Kangra are situated in this range. Valley means a low area of land between hills or mountains with a river or stream flowing through it. Hill stations like Shimla, Mussoorie, Nainital and Darjeeling are also located in this range. This region is well suited for growing crops. The thick forests of the Middle Himalayas consist of trees such as pine, oak, fir, walnut, spruce and juniper. These trees are useful to us in many ways. This range is also famous for apple orchards and tea plantations. Orchard means a piece of land on which fruit trees are grown. Plantation means a large area of land where crops such as coffee, tea, rubber, etc. are grown. The Lesser Himalayas. The Lesser Himalayas are the southernmost range of the Himalayas with an average height between 900 meters and 1200 meters. This range is made of mud, sandstone and soft rocks. It is not a continuous range like the other two ranges. The Purvanchal range lies to the northeast of India. It covers the states of Assam, Arunachal Pradesh, Manipur, Tripura, Nagaland, Meghalaya and Mizoram. Garo, Khasi, Jaintia, Naga and Mizo hills lie in the Purvanchal range. This region is well suited for growing rice, vegetables, pulses and sugarcane. Terrace farming is practiced on the slopes of this region. In this type of farming, the slopes of a hill are cut into steps and crops are grown on them. Okay students, now I am going to tell you why are the northern mountains important to us. The Himalayas have saved us from many invasions in the past. Invasion means entering another country with armed forces. They act as a barrier to the cold winds blowing from Central Asia in winter. They stop the rain-bearing winds from leaving the country. Thus, they cause heavy rainfall in many parts of northern India. Many rivers originate from the northern mountains. These rivers brings down fertile soil to the northern plains. The forests provide valuable wood and medicinal plant. These mountains are home to a variety of animals such as yak, goat, musk deer, sheep, tiger and rhinoceros. Many tourists visit the Himalayas for adventure sports such as paragliding and river rafting. Words to know. Valley. A low area of land between hills or mountains with a river or stream flowing through it. Orchard, a piece of land on which fruit trees are grown. Plantation, a large area of land where crops such as coffee, tea, rubber, etc. are grown. Invasion, entering another country with armed forces. Home fun. Choose any 5 animals that are found in Himalayas. Find out about their food habits and how they adjust to the climatic conditions of the mountains. Write the information in your notebook. So students, I hope you all have enjoyed today. Revise what we have learned in today's session. In the next session, we will continue with the northern plains. Bye everyone.